and welcome to my channel. My name is Peyton for those of you who don't know me, and today I am going to show you how I got this indigo violet eyeshadow look using the Hipdot and Spongebob Bikini Bottom eyeshadow palette. If that's something that you would like to see, then please keep watching. If you haven't seen the palette yet, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. As you can see, I've already done my face makeup. I think I'm gonna do a blue look today. Maybe like a blue-purple, blurple. I've already primed my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I just got that, so I don't know if I like it or not. I'm gonna go into Deep Sea Blue. I am using the Moda Pro BMX 420 detail brush. Ooh. Okay, so I've got a lot on here, and then I'm just gonna go in and do the exact shape that I want with my eye. And I'm just tapping this into the crease at first, and then I'm going in with windshield wiper motions. So I'm packing this in the very outer corner and bringing it out because I want to accentuate the almond shape of my eyes. Yeah, that lighting is way better. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe I'll leave it like that for now. Now, match the other side. Looks a little wild right now, but so what? Now, I am going to take a little, no I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna still just keep using this same brush. I might use the same brush for almost the whole thing. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Meow Meow Meow. And I'm gonna go over kind of the same, but maybe bring it in a little bit more. Now I'm gonna do the same to my other eye. I don't know if you can tell, but it just adds a little bit more of a purpleness. There's a lot of shimmers in this palette, and I don't normally use shimmers, but because it's like kind of against makeup law to, maybe not makeup law, makeup rules to wear shimmers if you have hooded eyelids, which I have. So I just never have, but now I'm doing it anyway. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Deep Sea Blue and deepen the very outside. Okay, and now to do even more deepening, I'm going in with a smaller one of the same things, same brushes, into the shade Advanced Darkness. It's like a deep, kind of warm, purple, but I'm gonna go straight into this outside. to deepen that. It's not as dark as I thought. It's actually more brown than I expected. Well, I don't really like it, but I have to do it to the other side. It says deep sea blue, but it's more of a purple. Okay, so now that it looks like I got punched in the eyes, I'm gonna go in with a brush. This one. It's a Morphe brush. It's just like a fluffy brush. It's not clean, but go in with a clean one. I'm gonna, go dip into Coral Floral and then hold from the end of the brush because it'll give you kind of like less control and it'll make you touch your face with the brush lighter handed. I'm just gonna windshield wiper right over the very edge of this line I made. If you ever feel like your eyeshadow is never blending, just keep doing this. Until it's blended. I'm staying on the very outside edge of this line because I don't want to pull any of the color off. I'm just trying to soften the edges. I want to use like so many colors, but I don't want to go totally crazy. So I'm really just going to go into my Limecrime Highlight Faeries palette, and I'm going to use the shade Moonlight. It's this middle purple one right here. I'm going to go in with a flat brush. This is a face highlight palette, but this shade is so freaking pretty. I always want it just everywhere. And I'm gonna go into all this negative space and just pack it in. It's literally the exact color of Fairy. Now, I'm an itchy neck. I think I'm gonna like just really do it and stick some angry tentacles under my eye. Was this a mistake? Maybe. Nah. That's that. I'm gonna go in with Tree Dome and this flat smudger brush and just go right under the brows. And then I'm gonna go in to Imagination and Wumbo, and I'm gonna mix those two together and use it as a blush. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do some wings and I'll be right back. So I added a little bit of highlighter and the largest wingspan I think I've ever had, and some mascara, and here is the finished look. Kind of like fairy, how about like a ocean pixie look? Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will put my Instagram, my personal and salon Instagram handle on this page. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions for future videos, then please leave it in the comment section below and I will read them. I don't know why I can't be not weird. Bye. See you on my next video. See you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.